Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Land Rover Defender. First, you need to thoroughly plan your project. This involves selecting your desired model, researching parts availability, and creating a detailed budget. Consider all components, from the chassis to the smallest bolt. A well-thought-out plan, including a realistic timeline, is crucial for a successful and enjoyable build. This initial phase sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, focus on the robust chassis and drivetrain. Start by preparing the chassis, ensuring it is clean and structurally sound. Then, carefully install the engine and transmission, making sure they are perfectly aligned and securely mounted. Connect the axles, suspension, and steering systems, paying close attention to torque specifications. Finally, bleed the brake lines and verify all fluid levels are correct before moving on to the bodywork. Now it's time for the bodywork and interior. Carefully mount the body panels, ensuring precise fitment and alignment for a professional finish. Install the complex wiring harness, connecting every electrical component from headlights to the infotainment system. Then, fit the interior trim, comfortable seats, and the dashboard, focusing on both aesthetics and functionality. Finally, apply paint and protective coatings to the exterior for lasting durability and a great look. Finally, perform thorough final checks and road testing. Conduct a comprehensive inspection of all systems, ensuring every connection is secure and every component functions as intended. Perform the initial engine startup, carefully checking for any leaks or unusual noises. Test all lights, wipers, and other electrical accessories. Conclude with a thorough road test, evaluating the vehicle's performance, handling, and overall safety. Your custom Defender is almost ready.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.